today we're going to be installing a ShinePay Spark on this older Speed Queen washer. We have our ALCD5 Spark and the corresponding harness. Today we already took the liberty of removing the power from the machine. This is one of the most important steps. Make sure your machine doesn't get damaged during installation and it keeps you safe. So really important step. And then on top of that, we also opened up the cabinet and just exposed the electrical area. Now what we're gonna do is basically we're just gonna unplug the coin acceptor and plug the coin acceptor into the harness if we wanna keep coins. If not, we can just leave it unplugged. And then we're gonna do that first. And then we're gonna take the other side and plug our harness into the computer. That's plugged in like that. Then what we're gonna do is take these two cords and one end we're gonna plug over here, like such. And then the other one, so right over there. And then we have another one, and that's gonna come right under here like this. We're just gonna push that in, and that is our entire Spark installation for this commercial Speed Queen washer.